Hi, I'm Victoria and welcome to Veggie-Mex. On this channel, we'll be making traditional Mexican dishes with a vegetarian twist. Today, we'll be making rajas. This dish traditionally isn't made with any meat. You will need 2 Pobalno peppers, half an onion, a can of corn, and about 2 to 3 cups of crema, and 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. You'll start off by roasting your peppers. Once they're roasted on all sides, you'll place them in a bag in order to let them sweat. After a couple minutes, you will take them out and peel the skin. Cut the stems off and remove all seeds. Once you're done with that, you will cut your Pobalno peppers into strips. The word rajas means strips, and that's how this dish gets its name. Julienne your onion and add them to a heated pan with oil. Let them cook until translucent, stirring occasionally. Once the onions are ready, add a drained can of corn. Don't forget to stir. Throw in a tablespoon of garlic salt, pepper, now add your Pobalno pepper strips. Add about 2.5 cups of crema. Now add about a cup of mozzarella cheese and let it melt a bit before stirring. Once it's all stirred, you're ready to plate. This is probably one of my favorite vegetarian dishes. What would you guys like to see next? Like, subscribe, and comment below. Adios!